how to fix iMessage sending green messages. So here's what you want to do. First, you will go into your phone settings and use the search bar to search for messages. Now you will just click on the messages option here and you want to untoggle iMessage. Wait for 5 seconds and now we will go into our messages. So just click on your messages. And here you will send a message to whomever you want to, essentially message. After you have sent the message here, we will go back into our phone settings, open this back up, and we will toggle on iMessage again. It's gonna say waiting for activation, and in about a few seconds, you should see this iMessage uses wireless data, so on and so forth. This means that it's been turned on. Now your message should have sent successfully. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.